Hey y'all, I'm doing a sew-in / crochet closure install. I've already braided my hair down and I will apply some hair oil by Via. It's the black Jamaican castor oil. I've been using that a while and it works for me. I'm going to be sewing from front to side back because I have an undercut. Please excuse how that's looking right now, but I will tighten it up and edge myself up and everything after I've completed the style. The curl that I'm using here on the track is by Model. It is their Gardenia line and it is a master mix in fresh curl. The name of the curl is called Fresh Curl and it's supposed to be able to take up to 400 degrees in heat. I'm not going to put heat on it, but for any of you girls and guys that are interested in this hair, just know that it says you can put up to 400 degrees on it, just in case you want to blend, you know, your own hair or some other hair into it. I purchased the one, they come 3 bundles in a package, and I purchased the 18, 20, and 22. I also seen them come in 14, 16, and 18, as well as 24, 26, and 28. The company sets the pricing themselves. So for the one I got, which was 18, 20, and 22, the price was $20.99. I believe the 14 through 18 was $19.99, and the 24, through 28, I believe is $22.99. I used this same curl during Christmas. I got it in loose deep, same inches, and I liked it. So I went and purchased some more to do a repeat of. And actually, when I first did that, I was supposed to do a full crochet install with another hair, but I was pressed for time, so I ended up doing this method. And I like it. It's a lot quicker for me, being busy, a busy mom. I don't have a lot of time for myself most of the time, so yeah. Like I said, I'm sewing from front to side back, flipping and repeating. The crochet curl that I'm using is by Freetress, and it's the beach curl. And the beach curl matches perfectly. It blends, in my opinion, seamlessly with this fresh curl by Model. I'm spraying braid sheen spray on this hair because it helps detangle synthetic fibers. Braid sheen spray is very good for synthetic fibers, as we already know. So you can use it on human too, but I like it for this hair, and I use that particular brand, and I have another one that I like because I like the smell. Some of the braid sheen sprays smell like stale breath, and I don't like it, but that one smells pretty good. I'm going to sew all the way over till I get to the side top where I will begin to crochet hair in. As you can see, I'm crocheting a few right there just to blend in the front of the hair so it has like a seamless fall, in my opinion. And again, I doubled my wefts because the track is very thin and I want it to, you know, be pretty full. If you're going to do this on a full head, I believe 1 pack is supposed to be enough, but I would get 2. Just to be safe. You might not use all of it, but, you know, get 2. Also, please disregard my lighting as well as the video quality. I'm recording on my tablet as well as my phone, which isn't easy. You know, it isn't easy trying to record and do your hair either way, but I don't have a professional camera. I'm going to get one. I've been looking at different ones on Amazon. But I have to get, you know, something that is budget friendly as well as going to, you know, get the job done for videos that I plan to do in the future. So if you could just bear with me, I will get one soon. I just have other pressing issues that come first. So yeah. There I'm sewing down that last track and I'm going to begin to crochet the Freetress beach curl on that outer perimeter braid. You can do the knotless method with crochet hair, but for me with this one, it it's very slippery, and it wasn't cooperating right when I tried it in the front. And so when I go to flip it, it's not going to want to act right. And so I just decided to do the knot method like I did the first time because it wasn't going to cooperate. There are different hairs that are longer length that you can do the knotless method with. I've done it on clients, but this one here is just very slippery. I'm applying mousse to the hair. It's alcohol free. I think the brand is Vigorol. And if you put mousse on your hair, you want to make sure it's alcohol free.